What's up, guys? Lucky Mastermind here, playing some Bomberman 64. And hold on, I gotta set a damn timer. Why did I forget to do this? We'll do. Okay, that sounds pretty good. Okay, I'm playing Bomberman. Last you guys were watching me, I was stuck on stage 3. Since then, I have beat it off screen. No, I fucking cheated. This is rather frightening. Let's see, so I pick up the bomb. What do I do? I don't remember any of this. Oh, hit. Oh, that was a hit! Oh, come on! These are fucking remote bombs. I can carry them forever. Oh, you got it now! Boom! You're done, dude. You're literally done. What are you gonna do about it? Ah! It's done. It is a done deal. I'm gonna pick up another one. I'll make it real big. I don't know how you get 3 gold cards. Ah! Are you serious? Do I know how to do this? No! Oh, he's playing unfucking fair now. Okay. There! I friggin' engulfed him! Oh! Stage friggin' cleared! Okay, so we're back. I obviously dominated that bird thing. And as you can see, the chain linking this island to that spaceship thing is gone, so we're gonna move on to the Blue Resort. Oh, I remember this. This was one of my favorite levels playing this game. I don't know why. The music's not particularly good. I guess it's better than the ruins. It's more interesting of a level. Like a lot of nice stuff here. There's a lot of nice secrets in this level, if I do recall. These trees. Bomberman is not very eco-friendly. Yeah, just look at that. There's a bridge coming up. I friggin' remember, and it needs a big bomb. Yes! Yes! Well, we should cross over, I suppose. Oh, jeez. Oh, God, it's the military. What's he got, an AK? Take a bomb, you commie. Oh, are you serious? I missed that friggin' rupee or whatever. I'm gonna zoom out here. No. Oh, God. Oh, God! No! What the fuck? That butterfly completely exacted its revenge on me for being an eco-terrorist. I'm still gonna get it, though. Yeah! Equal hearts. What do those do? This world is so awesome! Oh, got some lag there. Can I take these things out? Yes! I can! Do I have a lot of motivation to? I don't really think so. What do we got over here? Shit. Okay, we got a black screen and another thing. God. Please don't load. Okay. Oh God. Alright. I don't know what is happening. All I know is cannons equal violence. I want you dead. The soundtrack here is so calming. Can I get up there? Oh God. Oh God. Am I... Right, so that was not the correct direction to go. In fact, I'm out of here. I'm actually a bit nervous because I'm down to no extra lives left. Bomberman hates the military. You take 2 hits? You must be a communist. Ooh, okay. I want the firepower. And yet I don't get nothing. I swear to God, Bomberman gets no respect in his line of duty. This probably is something nice in it. I don't know what's going on down there. There's a fish. Guy, coach. Uh-oh, you're done. Gem. This must give me something, I would imagine. Or not. I can almost play this dual stick. It's weird. It's a weird feeling. Oh! He's dead. And we're back. Yep, definitely did die a couple times before this arrangement. What's over here? Haha! You almost got me, N64. I forget what those are for. That's the first one I've got. I think. Oh shit. Ah! Son of a... Hey, we're back. We're back. And I stepped on the switch. That did something. So, gonna go down the stairs, I suppose. Take a swig of my beer. Well, apparently drinking is a mistake. Move, 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 move! These friggin' cannons, dude. What the F, man? I don't need gems. I require power-ups. I don't even remember how this level ends. I mean, it's been... What's that do? Oh, red bombs? Feels so powerful. Do I want to hop down there? Screw it, why not? This leads into the... Oh no, it doesn't. Ah! dick! I kick you in the face the second time. Shit. We're gonna open this bridge to the general public. Fuck! This is horrible. I still keep my red bombs, that's nice. That's a nice touch. Oh, and they're already the power of big ones, so fuck me, right? God damn it, Pete. Fucking careful. This is fire you're playing with. Wait, I'm back at the start. It's interesting. Yeah, shoot at nothing. Step on this switch. I almost called it a missile. Okay. So that area is open now to the general Bomberman public. Oh, hey, it's Bird Guy. Hey, Bird Guy. Altair. Whoa, from like Assassin's Creed, or is that Altair? There's 3 subordinates named Regulus. He sounds very boring. Artemis. Sounds very bloody. And Orion. It's pretty mystical. All 3 have powerful special attacks. You will eventually have to fight them, so prepare yourself for the battle. I don't know. I fought you, and you were very uninteresting to fight in battle, so I'm not so sure about taking your advice anymore. However, when it comes to adventuring, you're right. I'm pretty awful at it. Okay, got some top-down shit here. Oh, that's open. What does this symbol mean? That's the bad guys, right? That's the level! Woo! Look at that! Knocking down drawbridges. I'm so nervous with these red bombs. Nobody beats that kind of power. Oh god, he's out of control. I do believe this level is over. Ja! Alright, let's give stage 2 a try, eh? Yeah. Oh my god. I regret this decision. Fight me. Fight me IRL. Artemis, the bloody one. Shh. What do you do? Oh, wow. Okay, you've got some sort of pattern, I think. And that pattern is destroying me. Game over. Ugh. One more try. You'd think I would remember this from when I played this X amount of years ago. But I don't.
You're mine!
You're mine! Wish Bomberman could punch. Okay, it's a good start. Part, so I do believe. Yeah!
You're mine!
Woo! Oh, jeez. Violent. Bomberman is so pleased with himself. Yeah! I just committed murder! I got about 10 minutes. Let's try out level 3. Pump it up! Like them shoes. Nike pumps. Reebok pumps, that's what they were. still find this area to be my favorite in the game. This and maybe the snowy area. Oh, my heart! Will go on. What's with that camera change there? It's almost pointless. Being a top-down game. Well, excuse me. Up, 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 up. Ah. Oh, they can kill each other? I never really... Ha! You're friggin' done. Over here, Eco-Terrorist Bomberman strikes again. But the trees have treasures. We'll continue over this way. Kill the tree. Kill that guy. Bomberman. He's like a friggin' treasure hunter, man. Oh, it's the military. They're back. Ah! What are you shooting there, buddy? Okay, we got a bridge. Can't go down there. Can go over here. Water used to run from that waterway to that statue of a goddess. Altair had the water move. Ah, I can't read! And now the water no longer reaches it. Will you repair the waterway? What do I look like, a friggin' repairman? What's he even carrying? It's not a rifle, it's like a rocket launcher. Got a gold card, that's pretty sexy, if I do say so myself. I don't remember what to do here. Give me a minute. Right, so there was a ladder I had to knock down. Not so sure about what that means overall, but whatever. Knock down this one. Please do it. There we go. Oh, got a switch. I love switches. I like how he hesitates. I now know what I must do. Down we go the stairs, down the stairs. Going down these stairs. I think, right? Yep. Those holes? Oh, no, I see. N64 graphics, you could have fooled me back in the day, but this is not that time. Right, so there's no point in messing about here. There might have been. Okay, so big bombs move that door. I'm an idiot. This is the N64 era. You can try everything. I'm gonna leave you alone, but if you get caught in my bomb, I have no sympathy. In fact, you know what? Oh. It's also a switch? Man, fuck the Romans. You live this day. You do too. Oh. Is this real life? Lag there, but we did it! Yay! One of these days I'll get all the gold cards. Alright guys, that's all the time I got for Bomberman tonight. I will see you guys next time when I imagine we take on the boss. See ya!